So, one of Twee's uncles, or I guess he's a uncle-in-law, he's climbed the tree to get us this fruit. Let's see where he is. He's like up in the tree. There he is. There he is. He's up in the tree. All that to get a little piece of fruit. This is the milk fruit, sewer fruit. You can see like this. See this white stuff? When you cut it, it comes out a little bit. Comes out a little bit more. He's in the tree though. These are all Twee's aunts. Twee's aunts and the Twee's uncle. And this is uncle-in-law. So this is Twee's mother's sisters and one brother. This is where we killed the dog last time. So that's good memories. But they have a couple dogs here and a couple chickens. And I think they have one daughter, maybe two. But they're at school right now. And the father's in the tree. Hat Roy. Hat Roy. No more, just one. But we got one. What's this guy? This is the same house with the little puppy dogs I just showed you. So cute. This guy, this is a good dog. Very playful, very fun. Here's a chicken. She does not look too happy. People think I'm weird. That's alright, I guess. I guess I am weird here. Yeah. Thank you for getting that fruit for us, sir. Come on. She's got like a big old hook thing. Ombea is saying that I see one, and they're saying it's not ready, it's not ripe. And he says, no, I see it, I see it. And they said, no. Huh? It's always a little strange being alone with the family. It's difficult to communicate. Huh. I don't know what's going on now. So I got 2 avocados, an eggplant, and a milk fruit now. How come each tree makes different things? How does that work? How come one tree takes the sunlight and makes an avocado, and another tree takes it, wow, takes the sunlight. Very good. Oh, we got 2 now. It's pretty amazing. And she goes again. He's gonna knock it, she's gonna catch it. This is the husband and wife teamwork. Good job. That's 3 now. There's probably 400 or 500 in here. They're just not ready.
So.
Very good. Now we're gonna cut it. We'll look at the little puppies again because they're so darn cute. And look at this guy. He's just enjoying himself. He's enjoying himself. So she's gonna cut it. Cut out the bad part. Oh yeah, no good. Where are those little guys? Oh, look at them in here. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, come on, guys. Oh, living together. That's so wonderful. Oh. Want to cut this one? Aye? Ah. So give it to the bird. The one that's not so good. There you go. You go outside? There he goes. Look at this guy. Got a cool little haircut. You can eat that? Go ahead. Ah! So cute. Oh.
Đâu bắt con mẹ nó nào.
Oh my God, look at these guys. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh. 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 Little chin. Little chin. This girl's a good mama, and these guys are so cute. Oh. It's like an eggplant. It's like an eggplant. It's the same. Look at this. He's the same size as an eggplant. This is a tiny eggplant too. Oh man. He's tiny. Oh man, look at his little face. So cute. Look at my fruit collection now, it's growing. Oh. Oh. Oh, we got. Oh, these are baby chickens, but not so cute. This guy's cool. Oh, I like the country. I like the country. Gum? Ah. Rice. Look how fast they peck. Wow, look at them go. Huh. Wow. Little beak's going so fast. like the big fat one. I guess that's the egg layer. Are you